Hello everyone, welcome to the Brain of Science Academy. As you all know, the Kcet examinations are nearing day by day. So in order to prepare yourself to score more in your CET examinations, you should be well known about the weightage of the each chapters. But unfortunately, there is no blueprint for your Kcet examination. But by analyzing the previous year question papers, we can expect the number of questions from each chapters. So here in this video, this is according to my analyzing the question papers from the previous years. So we can expect some number of questions and we can score more than 40 plus marks from your second year syllabus only. So from the second year syllabus only we can expect 40 to 43 number of questions for your 2023 Kcet examination, and from your first year syllabus we can expect 20 number of questions can be expected in the 2023 Kcet examination. So we shall first look into the second year syllabus. So now we shall look into the second year syllabus. So for state we can expect 2 to 3 questions from the solid state, and from the solutions also we can expect 2 to 3 questions. From electrochemistry chapter 2 to 3 questions. From chemical kinetics 3 to 4 questions. From surface chemistry chapter 2 to 3 questions can be expected. So in the physical chemistry part, chemical kinetics will be the very important chapter. That because the number of questions will be asked more from the chemical kinetics. So next we shall look into the inorganic part. So from the metallurgy chapter we can expect 0 to 2 question numbers. Why? Because from the previous last 2 years the metallurgy chapter not even one question was asked. So in this year we can expect number 1 question or 2 questions can be expected, or even 0 questions can be expected from the metallurgy chapter. But in the P block, D block and in the coordination compound, from all the 3 chapters we can expect 3 to 4 number of questions from the inorganic chapter. So next we shall look into the organic parts. From the haloalkanes and haloarenes we can expect 2 to 3 questions. Alcohol, phenols and ether we can expect 3 to 4 questions. Aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid 4 to 5 questions, which is very important chapter in the organic part. So next amines 2 to 3 questions can be expected. From the biomolecules 2 to 3 questions. From the polymer 2 to 3 questions. From chemistry in everyday life 1 or 2 questions can be asked. So these are all for your second year syllabus. From each chapters we can expect this number of questions. So in organic, aldehyde ketone carboxylic acid is very important chapter. We can expect 4 to 5 number of questions from this chapter. So do not skip this aldehyde ketones and carboxylic chapter while you are preparing. So next we shall look into the first year syllabus. In that, from the some basic concepts from that chapter we can expect 2 to 3 questions. So from the structure of atoms we can expect 1 or 2 questions. From the classification of elements we can expect 0 or 1 questions can be expected. From the chemical bonding 2 to 3 questions can be expected. From the states of matter 1 or 2 questions can be expected. From the thermodynamics 1 or 2 questions can be expected. From equilibrium 2 to 3. From the redox reaction 1 or 2 questions. From the hydrogen S block, P block, from those chapters we can expect 1 or 2 questions. And from the organic chemistry part, the principle and some techniques, from that chapter we can expect 2 to 3 questions. From the hydrocarbons 1 or 2 questions. From the environmental chemistry we can expect 0 or even only 1 question can be expected from environmental chemistry chapter. So in your first year syllabus, very important chapters will be like some basic concepts, equilibrium, chemical bonding, and some principle and techniques included in the organic chemistry part. So those are very important chapters for your first year Kcet preparations. So I think these informations will help in your preparations, and all the best for your Kcet examinations. Thank you all.